afternoon. Actually, it's not afternoon anymore, it's evening. Good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. How are you all doing? Are you all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? Right, that's good. Glad to hear it. Alright, so today I am continuing with my American beauty boxes for the month of May. And now I am going to unbox the Allure beauty box. So this is, as I said, it's an American beauty box. It comes out every month. It costs $25, which is about, I can't remember how much it is. It's about, wait a minute, quick look. Yeah, $25 is about £18.50. You will get full-size items in this box, so you'll get sort of at least 2 or 3 full-size items, and you will get sort of travel-size items as well. Unlike the Ipsy, which has got a lot of choice and I can choose a lot of makeup, the Allure tends to be very much more skincare heavy, but the skincare does tend to be decent quality, so I don't mind getting this box for the skincare products. Occasionally, and it's something they've been doing more recently, they've been allowing us to choose an item, a choice item, and the item will be a makeup item which will have a shade preference. So I can't remember, but I think in the May box there was a makeup item with a choice, but I'm trying to remember. I think the choices of shades weren't that favourable for me, but again, we will open it up and we'll see what we have. So let's open this box up, see what we've got. So first glimpse, this is what it's looking like on the inside. We've got the leaflet there which will provide all the information about the product. So let's do that first. So we have here, right, there's always a little blurb from the editor, one of the editors, so let's see what she's saying here. So she's got here, feeling flush, celebrity beauty lines may come and go, but Rihanna and Lady Gaga have staying power for very good reason. Their blush and lip gloss respectively, both in your May box, yes, both in your May box, are some of the best out there. Even without the bold names behind them, you're getting the brilliant springtime makeup routine plus a sugar scrub for prepping lips that smells good enough to eat, but please don't. An elegant sleeping mask for brighter mornings, concentrated skincare ampoules for complexion resets, and hydrating and volumizing hair care for excellent hair days ahead. So pop your new lip colour into your bag. You're going to want it handy. Dust on a little blush and enjoy. And that is from Elizabeth Siegel. She's the Deputy Beauty Director. Right, so we've already been told that we've got a Fenty Blush, and I remember that now, so I'm going to go straight ahead and do that. And this is the item. We had a choice on shades. So let's have a look. Here we go. So we've got the Fenty Blush. It's a powder, but the finish is super creamy. So Fenty Beauty Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush in Lolly Poppy, Sundress Season, Summertime Wine, or Petal Popping. I have got one of these already, and I've got a colour that is like a really orangey coral colour. So I think I chose the more berry colour. I chose the Summertime Wine, which is number 4. Can you see that? There we go. That's what I chose. And if I remember, these shadows, these blushes are really pigmented. So let me open this up. Yay! So I'm happy about this. Come with makeup. We like the makeup. Okay, so that's the packaging. Yeah, I've definitely got one, and it's more an orangey colour. And oh yay, oh yes, that colour's gorgeous. Oh, that is a really, really pretty colour. I do like that. That is a gorgeous colour. Oh yeah, baby, that is really nice. I have got some blush on, but I'm gonna put a little bit on just to see what the colour looks like on. Right. Let's bring you in a bit so you can see what the colour looks like. So you can see I have got one on, and I've also got bronzer on as well. But this is, my makeup is old today, so but we'll see how this looks. Yeah, we're seeing that pigmentation straight away. Yeah, this is a nice berry colour. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh yes, this is nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I do like that. That's a really nice colour. Oh, I'm really happy with that. So yeah, so the value of that is, in the States, this is $28, and I think it's about 24 to 26 pounds over here. But yeah, I really like that. So that's cool. So that's my first item. So yeah, definitely getting my value. I'm being very conscious of the value of the products in my boxes at the moment for the May, because in my Ipsy Glam bag video, which would be up before this video, I mentioned that the shipping of my boxes this month was incredibly high. It was really high. So I'm really being sort of closely looking at the value of my boxes this month, just to make sure I'm getting my value. So good start, very good start. Right, let's continue. What else have we got? We have got House Labs, so we've got some more makeup here. So I like this, I like receiving the makeup. And from House Labs as well, this is Lady Gaga's brand. So House Labs by Lady Gaga, and Lady Gaga PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze in the shade Guava. So why you'll love it, there are goopy and 2 glossy lip glosses, and then there is the Perfection, that is Lady Gaga's take on the classic. It feels cushy and hydrating, imparts sheer mauvey colour that's great for a natural vibe, and has a radiant finish for juicy, healthy looking lips. So this wasn't a choice in colour, but I think this colour is going to be alright. I'm hoping so. I'm going to wear it anyway. Yeah, I think this colour is going to be alright. I can work with this colour. I'm just really pleased to get it. I want to get the new House Labs products. They are a bit expensive though, her makeup line. I didn't even hesitate in putting this on, straight on. It's very glossy. It's not sticky, but some of this wig hair is catching on my lips. I like this as well. Ooh, I'm doing really well today with my makeup. Oh, I like that. Oh, that looks really nice. Oh, I like that. Oh, so I am very happy. So the first 2 products, yep, I've got my value straight away. $25 or £18.50 box. These 2 products for me have definitely done it for me. And the both colours, they work together as well. They do work together. I really like this. Oh, yeah, ma'am, I'm happy already. So everything else now is a bonus in this box. So yeah, I'm really happy. Bring you back out again. Oh, this is lovely. I love the colour. Really like it, and it feels good too. Right, next, wow, we're going with the brands this month. So we have got from Elemis here, Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. Why you'll love it, if you've been hesitant to try a sleeping mask, maybe you don't want gunk on your pillow, you'll be happy to know that this gel bears comfortably all night long and stays on your skin. It feels soothing going on and leaves skin feeling softer and looking refreshed by morning. Not a bad way to wake up. How you'll use it: smooth it on before you turn in for the night and rinse your skin clean in the morning. The retail price is $75 for 50 mils. We've got 15 mils in the box, so this is a sample. Okay, yeah, 15 mils. All right, I'll definitely be giving that a go. The sleeping mask, the night sleeping mask I'm using at the moment is from Ahava, which I really like. This is a nice one. It's quite rich, and it's the only time I'll put a rich cream on my face, and I'll do it at night time. Because obviously I'm naturally a very oily skinned person, but my skin does need that hydration, so I'll do it at night time and I'll sleep in the product. But willing to give that a try, so that's good. So that's 3 good products so far, but clearly I'm all about the makeup, so that's good. Next product, Oh, this is not in the box. So this isn't in the box. So it's probably Stackery, which is the company that does the shipping. They probably put this next product in the wrong box. So I will show it to you. I will show it to you, but the product is Colour Wow Raise the Root Thicken Lift Spray. This is not a product I am going to keep, so this will probably be either put on eBay for sale or I'll put it in my giveaway box. Okay, so this product is the next one, and it's Colour Wow Raise the Root Thicken Lift and Spray. So while you'll love it, you could spend the morning perfecting a round brush blowout, or you could mist this onto your roots for a quick yet impressive shot of volume. Bonus, you can use it on dry or damp hair, so it's great for saving time on wash days or for refreshing your style. How you'll use it is spritz the mist wherever you want volume, your length, roots, you name it. Then style your hair however you normally would. Retail price is $24 for 150 mils, and we've got 50 mils included in the box. So this is a product I wouldn't use. It's not for my type hair. So this will either be sent as a gift for a little friend of mine in the Netherlands, or it's going to go into the giveaway box. There you are. Right, so there's that product, but it's not something I'm going to be using personally. But most likely I'm going to try it on eBay first. So Colour Wow Raise the Root Thicken Lift Spray. I'll put a picture of what the product looks like on here, because as I said, it's probably in one of my other boxes. Stacker just put it in the wrong box, and I can't be bothered to go and open and rummage through the boxes now. So you could spend the morning perfecting a round brush blowout, or you could mist this onto your roots for a quick yet impressive shot of volume. Bonus, you can use it on dry or damp hair, so it's great for saving time on wash days or for refreshing your style. How you'll use it: spritz the mist wherever you want volume, your length, roots, you name it. Then style your hair however you normally would. Yeah, so this is not a product for my type hair, so for textured hair. This is more for straight hair, so not a product I would use anyway. Alright, next is this. This is a lip scrub. Okay, I do like a lip scrub, but I've got a couple upstairs which I haven't got around to using yet. So Aceology, it's a passion fruit refining lip scrub. Why you'll love it: the sugar granules are gritty enough to slough off dead skin and in turn make your lips silky soft, but not so harsh that you're left feeling raw. It gently buffs chapped lips to help create a smooth, even canvas for your lipstick, and it smells amazing, sweet like passion fruit while it's at it. How you'll use it: squeeze a teeny amount onto a clean fingertip and massage the scrub in circular motions over your lips for about 30 seconds. Rinse it away and treat your lips to balm and or colour like your new lip gloss. Okay, retail price for this is $29, and this is full size. So okay, that's cool. Yeah, do like a lip scrub, so that's cool. I'm alright with that. What else have we got? Anything else? We have got some sample things in here. So this is like a sample thing. This is from Eva NYC H2O Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. Why you'll love it: the enemy of frizz and flyaways is hydration, and this duo does a great job of infusing moisture via hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid into strands for hair that's smoother and shinier. How you'll use it: in the shower, lather your roots with the shampoo, rinse them, condition your lengths and ends and rinse. So the retail price is $28 for 600 mils, and we've got 20 mils in the box. So yeah, this I'll be putting in my giveaway box, because these aren't the kind of shampoos and conditioners that I use for my type hair. So that is going straight into that giveaway box. And then there's another thing here. Right, this is another sample. This is from Babor Collagen Firming Ampoule, or Perfect Glow Ampoule, or Hydra Plus Ampoule. And this one is the Perfect Glow. So why you'll love it, the science nerd in us loves the ampoules, looks and ingredient breakdown. You're getting one of the three, and each treats skin to thoughtful ingredients like skin brightening, lactic acid, smoothing peptides, or moisturising sunflower seed. How you'll use it, snap the ampoule open at the lower coloured ring, smooth its contents onto clean skin and follow with moisturiser. Retail price is $50, $45 or $35 for 14 mils, and we've got 2 mils included in the box. And you can buy it from Nordstrom in the States. Again, these are the kind of products I don't use. This is for tired, dull skin. You know what? I'm gonna try it out, because why not? And I'll do it at night time. So yeah, I'll try this out. So I might try it out tonight, because I'm not gonna use the night cream yet. So I might try it out tonight just to see if it makes a difference to my skin. Who knows? It's not the kind of products I'll go ahead and buy. But that's it. That's my Allure box this month. Clearly my standout products for me are the Fenty Blush and the Howells Labs lip gloss, which are both gorgeous. I'm absolutely delighted with it. I've got the gloss on and the blush on, and I think they look really good, so I'm really happy with those two. Also happy with the lip scrub, so that is all good. And I'm going to try out this ampoule, Radiance ampoule thing tonight. The Colour Wow thing, when I retrieve it from the box, it's going to be going on eBay, or it's going to be going in a giveaway box, one of the two. And that's my Allure box for the month of May. It's a good box. Again, definitely got my value there with those two products. Those two makeup items alone have done it for me, so I'm delighted with those. Alright guys, that's it from me. I'm going to done my filming for today. My next lot of videos after this is probably going to be my what's in my trash, so an empties video, and then I'll start on probably my Look Fantastic and GLOSSYBOX, and then after those will be the BoxyCharm boxes for BoxyCharm and Icon boxes for me. So I've got a few videos to do this month, so lots to catch up on. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. It helps the girl out.